Hello guys, my name is Jink.
And my name is Vijay, and today we are gonna do crow exercise together to determine how many digits we can hold in our mind at one time. Okay, let's start. 2,
2,
3, 8,
3, 8,
4, 6, 4,
4, 6, 4,
3, 5, 9,
3, 5, 9,
6, 7, 8, 3,
6, 7, 8, 3,
9, 5, 7, 4, 2,
9, 5, 7, 4, 2,
7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7.
7, 8, 1, 3, 7, 8.
No, that was wrong. So 1, 2, 3, 7. So his crow was 7. He could remember 7 digits at one time in his mind.
Okay, next turn. Next. So 1,
1,
2, 3,
2, 3,
4, 7, 9,
4, 7, 9,
2, 9, 8, 5,
2, 9, 8, 5,
4, 0, 1, 5, 9,
4, 0, 1, 5, 9,
3, 0, 2, 5, 1, 8,
3, 0, 2, 5, 1, 8,
9, 8, 7, 1, 4, 3, 2,
9, 8, 7, 1, 4, 3, 2,
0, 3, 2, 9, 5, 1, 8, 5.
0, 3, 2, 8.
No. So his one is 7. Yeah, same.
Same, yeah. So we can hold 7 digits in our mind at one time. So now I will be discussing some of the concepts and terms related to the experiment. In this experiment, I found out that I can remember 7 things at the same time, and my friend can remember seven digits at the same time as well. So these values are actually what is known as their memory span. This can also be called our crow or magic number. So the general definition of this is the number of individual items a mind can keep in their focus at a given period of time. So according to the definition, my friend's maximum of 7 digits in essentially means that he can keep 7 individual items in his mind focused at a given time. So another word for this memory span is crow, as I said earlier, and while this may seem like an obscure term, it actually originates from an experiment done in 1950s by university, and in the experiment they found that crows can keep only a maximum of 3 items in their minds focused at a given time. So related to this experiment was the study of George Miller. He was a cognitive psychologist from Harvard University, and in 1956 he published a study on memory span. So from the Miller's experiment is where the term magic number comes from. And in his experiment, he found that the average memory span of an adult was 7 items, which is hence the name magic number 7. And there's also a term plus or minus 2 at the end, which basically means that although an average of an adult is 7, most of them fall between 5 to 9. So minus 2, 7, minus 2, 5, which is lower bounds, and 7 plus 2 is 9, which is the upper bounds. So although our crow represents many limits and how many things we can keep in our mind focused at a time, there are ways that we can overcome this limit, and that is through the use of concepts. And so as infants, we automatically perceive these sense, and we automatically feel sensations through our 5 senses, which is like our sight, our smelling, our hearing, our touch, and our taste. and these sensations are automatically integrated into perceptions. So if you take a lot of sensation and integrate them into one perception, that perception fits much more easily into your crow than all these individual sensations which would take up more space in your mind. However, we acquire so many perceptions over the span of our lifetime that they will inevitably overflow our crow. In order to combat this, we can create concepts. So unlike the process of turning sensations into perceptions, this process is not automatically done by our brain or integrated by our brain. It has to be volitionally, which means that we have to make conscious choice to do it. So in order to create concept, we find many similar things and find a common, but more importantly, defining characteristic to reduce it to one concept or word. So this similar to my explanation about perception. One concept fits much more easily into your crow than thousands of perceptions that we would acquire over a lifetime. So that this is the most successful way we can overcome of uh, the limit of crow. And I hope that this video went into depth on the memory span and magic number and history behind it. Thank you so much.